Your calves work quietly every single day. When you walk, when you climb stairs, when you run, or even when you simply stand still, these small muscles carry your entire body. But most people never train them with intention. Today, that changes. Today, we focus on the calf raise, a simple motion that builds real, functional strength from the ground up. Standtal. Feel your feet gripping the floor beneath you. Now slowly rise onto your toes. Lift your heels as high as you can and pause for just a moment. That pause isn't just part of the movement, it's the heart of it. It's where your muscles activate, where control is built, and where real progress begins. Then lower back down gently, with control, letting your heels stretch toward the floor. That stretch is your foundation for the next rep. Your calves are made of two powerful muscles, the gastrocnemius and the soleus. Every rise, every pause, every slow descent send a message to these muscles. A message that says, grow stronger, become more stable, prepare for more. The burn you feel is not a sign to stop. It's a sign that your body is working, adapting, improving. That warm, tight feeling is your progress happening in real time. Don't rush the movement. Don't bounce. Don't swing. Calf raises reward patience and control. With each rep, picture yourself lifting a little higher, standing a little taller, becoming a little stronger. Start with body weight. Master the basics. Then, when you're ready, increase your range of motion by stepping onto an elevated surface. Let your heels dip lower, then rise higher. When control becomes natural, add dumbbells to increase resistance. And eventually, challenge yourself with single-leg calf raises, one of the most powerful ways to build balance and stability. Stronger calves don't just make your legs look better. They make your entire lower body move better. They stabilize your knees. They protect your ankles. They help you jump higher, run faster, and stay injury. They create a stronger foundation for every lift you perform in the gym. Squats, deadlifts, lunges, all of them become more powerful when your calves can support the movement. As you train, there will come a moment when your muscles start begging to quit. They'll tighten. They'll burn. Your mind will tell you that you've done enough. But if you can push just a little bit past that moment, if you can hold the top position for one extra heartbeat, if you can lift yourself one more inch, that's where your growth lies. That's where discipline transforms into strength. Calf raises may look small. They may look simple. But inside that simplicity is something powerful. A movement that teaches you to rise, literally and mentally. A movement that reminds you that even the smallest steps can create the biggest changes. So rise with purpose. Rise with control. Rise with the mindset of someone who refuses to settle. One rep at a time. 1 inch at a time. One rise at a time. Build your strength from the ground up. This is the calf raise. And this is where your power begins.